now regret that your preparation hasn't happened with the kind of intensity it was supposed to be. There is Arjuna JEE for all the students who are preparing for JEE in 11th standard who have started preparing for it. The batch Arjuna JEE in English 2027. There you see Laksh JEE in English 2027 and Prayas JEE in English 2027. Yes, you get mind maps, short notes and PYQs with the solution. A lot of things can be started with great enthusiasm. But to accomplish them, to achieve them, to finish them, you need patience and perseverance. Yes. When you entered into 11th standard, when you thought of cracking IIT JEE, when you had the dream of accomplishing JEE Mains and Advanced, there you would have prepared for IIT JEE, and there, while preparing for IIT JEE in 11th standard, you may have started facing a lot of challenges. A lot of shortcomings might have been faced by you. And maybe because of some factors or somewhat like demotivation or inconsistency, you now regret that your preparation hasn't happened with the kind of intensity it was supposed to be. And to address that problem, PW on this Vishwas Divas has brought a solution. Yes. PW on this Vishwas Divas has brought courses and programs for your JEE preparation or for your JEE journey in pure English for 11th, 12th and dropper. Yes, let me brief you on these or about these courses. That there is Arjuna JEE for all the students who are preparing for JEE in 11th standard who have started preparing for it. There is Laksh JEE for the students who are moving from 11th to 12th, and there is Prayas JEE for the students who are planning to take a drop for their JEE preparation. And what about the prices? So these offers are valid till 10th of March only, the Vishwas Divas offer, that Arjuna JEE, Laksh JEE and Prayas JEE you can avail at just rupees 4899, the standard batch plan. And if you wish to have the Infinity batch plan, you can avail it at just rupees 6999. Now, what is the difference or how can you compare it? That all we'll be discussing. But right now, let us understand and see how can you purchase these courses. Now, when you visit our website pw.live, you will be shown a button login or register on the top right corner. There when you click, you're asked to enter your contact number. You enter your contact number, ensure that it is an active one. You'll be receiving an OTP on it. Once you enter the OTP, you'll be redirected to this page, the home page. And on this home page, when you search for JEE English, there you are shown all our courses, all our batches. Now, once you have searched for JEE English, you are shown all the courses. For example, here you see the batch Arjuna JEE in English 2027. There you see Laksh JEE in English 2027 and Prayas JEE in English 2027. Let's say you are now in 12th standard, entering into 12th standard, and if you wish to prepare for JEE, you click on this Buy Now button. There you get to prepare or convert first of all or compare what is the difference. So the standard batch or the Infinity batch, first of all, what all things are common, you get to be taught by the top-notch faculties of this country for physics, chemistry and maths for your JEE preparation. There you definitely receive the DPPs, the homeworks along with their solutions. You get regular tests with the solutions. You get 24/7 doubt support. Mind you, students, listen to this part very carefully. 24/7 doubt support. And yes, the PDF, the handwritten notes, structured notes are provided to you. And yes, you get mind maps, short notes and PYQs with the solutions. That's what you get. And Infinity, the add-ons are there. Infinite practice you do. And along with that mentorship sessions are there. And test series is also there. And you get access to all the upcoming versions. Now, once you have compared this, let's say you wish to have the basic plan, you click on Buy Now. Remember this offer is valid till 10th of March only, the Vishwas Divas offer. When you click on this, few things are also shown to you. But let's say if you wish to purchase this program, Laksh JEE in English 2027, you click on Proceed to Buy, and then you are redirected to the next page where you are shown the QR code. By scanning the QR code, you do the payment and you purchase the course. So I'm hoping to see you all there in our batches, Arjuna, Laksh and Prayas, whichever class or standard you belong to, depending on that. And we are hoping to see you there with a lot of excitement, perseverance and consistency and commitment that you will be preparing along with us in a better manner. So let us meet you all there in the class. Thank you so much, everyone.